Hey Dr. Juneman, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, Zach, I like you and what you do, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with gaining those new clients, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do for yourself, that works for me too. So now, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is your content. And what I mean by this is Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of content on your home page, and not just the quantity, but they also like to see a good density of keywords that are relevant to the industry that you're in. So looking at your website here, you're probably running anywhere from 600 to 800 words worth of content. Just taking a look at it, and we'll actually go over to SEO Quake, which is a free app that you can download on your computer and use for yourself to do what I'm about to show you here. Yeah, you're running 814 words. So there's our quantity, and now we want to look at our quality, which is the keyword density and what keywords you're ranking for, which chiropractic is number 1. But after that, so chiropractor's down here, chiropractors, so those both probably need to be moved up closer to the top, which is really easy to do. It just takes a little time and effort, and you could rank for better keywords. That being said, I want to go look at your competition's website, which is going to be Falls Clinic there in Wichita Falls. It's looking like they have quite a bit more content, just with some of the different plugins, videos, and whatnot that they have. We'll go to SEO Quake, and they're running 1,400 to 1,500 words worth of content. Their quality, chiropractic. So there's a lot of opportunity right here, because if you go to Google and you Google chiropractor Wichita Falls, they come up number 1 there and number 1 in the organic. So they got both the number 1 spots sealed up, but looking at what they're ranking for, there's a lot of opportunity to just overtake that number 1 spot. And whenever someone Googles for a chiropractor in Wichita Falls, like a lot of people do in search of one, your name's going to pull up first instead of theirs. That's what the goal is here. And we'll go look at another competitor, TMAC. They're looking like they don't have quite as much content. Once again, we'll go to SEO Quake, take a look. So 460, yeah, they're ranking number 2 in that Google Map Pack, which I'll explain that here in just a minute. But they'd be easy to overtake for their spot also. Just looking at some of the keywords that they're ranking for and everything. Back to what I was just talking about, the Google Map Pack. So this is what we call the Google Map Pack, and this is made up of what I like to refer to as NAPs, which stands for names, addresses, and phone numbers. So looking here, you got the name, the address, and the phone number of the business ranking number 1, which is Falls Clinic. And the way that they achieve this spot is by having high quality citations to their website. We can actually go over here to WhiteSpark, which is another app that you can use on your computer. This one's about 30 to 70 bucks a month, depending on what plan you get, but you can use it yourself. Now looking here, you actually have the most citations of all of these, but like I said, you want to have good quality citations. So like they have YouTube, Bing, Yelp, BBB. Surprised they don't have Facebook on here, because that's another good high quality one to get under. But you can come in here and actually use all of the citations that this other company has in your area whenever you go to build yours out. And looking at these citations, really, you're sitting at 46 right now, but you want to be from 200 to 300. I mean, that just completely blows away the competition, and no one's able to catch up to you, which is easily done with time and effort. You can bump that number up to where it needs to be. And the next thing I want to take a look at are going to be backlinks, and I'll kind of back up for a second and explain what a backlink is. So that's where you have like website A and website B, but website A is pointing to website B, telling people who are searching for certain words that website B is the one with the authority saying that that's the most popular one, that's the one you need to go look at. So it's essentially a Google popularity contest. And that that's another factor to getting this #1 organic spot, along with the content and keywords and stuff. Then we can actually go to SEO Quake and we can look at backlinks. So you're running one backlink right now, which is a low number that's easily fixed, can be bumped up significantly to where it needs to be with time and effort, just like the citations. Then we'll go look at Falls Clinic. So they're running two. That's why they're probably in that #1 spot right now. And like I said, there's just nobody's really optimized their website in y'all's area. Like, you're #5 right now, which is a good spot, but you want to be #1. And like I said, nobody's really optimized their website in y'all's area for being a chiropractor. 0 backlinks at TMAC. So there's a lot of room to really grow and take over this market by optimizing your website. That being said, I want to go to our closing here and just kind of touch on the 3 things I've talked about today, which was our content. You need to have 1,500 words and good keywords. Number 2 is citations. You want to have 200 to 300 good, high-quality citations. And number 3 were the backlinks, which will win that popularity contest that we were talking about and put you #1 organically. Now, that being said, I would really like to sit down with you and have a conversation about what kind of goals you have for your business and how I can bring value to your business and help you achieve those goals. So if you would like to, you can reach out to me at 903-715-7876, and we can have a conversation and just kind of talk about where you want to go with this. And once again, my name is Zach, and my phone number is 903-715-7876. Thank you, Dr. Juneman.